Welcome back, friends! If you want us to keep creating these contents, hit that subscribe and follow button right now for more tech tips. Let's begin. Here's something every teacher should remember. Your first prompt will probably not be your best prompt. Ask AI, review the response, then improve your instruction. AI is here to help you, not replace you. For example, tell it, make this suitable for grade 4. Then follow up with, make the activity more interactive. Each iteration improves the output. Keep going. Add, reduce the activity to 20 minutes, or use examples relevant to Filipino students. This technique is called iterative prompting. Think of prompting as a conversation. Don't expect perfection from your first question. Just remember, prompt, review, refine, repeat. See you in the next episode. Want to master even more prompt engineering techniques? Hit that follow button and stay tuned for episode 10, where we'll reveal the ultimate teacher prompt. See you there!